Good morning, everyone. We've had a bit of a lazy morning this morning because we had a rough night last night with the wind on the site. Thought the caravan was going to take off.
The caravan was rocking. It was nothing to do with us.
All was banging and creaking and all sorts. But it's now 20 to 12. It's been raining all morning, but they did say it was going to clear up, which it now has. So we're heading into St Agnes. Gonna take a look, see what's down there. Get a bite to eat. It's actually our 20th wedding anniversary today.
Whoop, whoop.
So try and find somewhere nice to eat.
Try and find a McDonald's or something.
Yeah, take me out to lunch. Mackie D, KFC.
Treat of town.
Yeah, I don't think we're far from St Agnes. We'll have a look when we get down there.
That's what I was looking at there.
Right.
How good it is.
Well, we've headed down to the beach because we didn't know where else to go.
Pay on exit. Cool.
I think. Don't know. Little shops.
On exit car park. All users on this car park must pay that thing for parking.
Is there one further down?
Mm.
Sure. If it's a place that we came back in November, last November.
I think I turn around here somewhere.
We've just turned around because we're not sure where we're going. Oh, I'm sure this is where we drove down through. We didn't actually stop because the dogs weren't allowed on the beach or something. Back in November when we went away for my birthday. Seems a bit rough today, look. Oh, there's dogs down there. Oh, maybe I want you then.
Is there a car park down there?
That's a private car park.
There's a dead end there, isn't it?
Yeah. No, you can't drive down there. That's private car park.
You can't park in there either, can you?
Nope.
Private? Yes.
Yeah.
So I can't use that one, can I?
No.
So I'm going to have to watch that other one, aren't I?
Maybe we go back to the village bit. Where we've driven back up to the village part. Not sure where we're going or what we're doing still.
Run to your left one-way system, come out of the village at the top.
Peterville. There's no parking at the back.
I'm open to catch up. There is pubs up here in the village bit. Lovely bakery.
Good pasty.
It's a pub there. No, it's not.
It's a church, I think, or something. Miners and Mechanics Institute. It's like a village hall. You can go that way, it says.
Car park here.
It depends where we want to walk to, though, isn't it? We ended up walking 10 miles plus yesterday. When we walked to Hollywell, there was no buses.
Walk and find a pub
Back to
down there. Should we do that?
Barenporth.
Yeah, I think we'll do that.
So
Yeah.
we're all walked out today. Poor Cassie did the whole lot. She wouldn't be carried.
Green display.
So we're all a bit tired this morning.
Find somewhere to park.
Hang out and they're all there staring at the cord. Well, they're just waiting for the call. No,
The fire's not on, that's right.
No. We found a nice pub, but the electric's just gone.
Check the board to see where they're
We're back again.
So it's all the time they arrive, the time the crew are off duty.
Next to the fire.
And if I can get something on the board, so I can say chest pain, off legs, or something like that.
We're all fat and full now. Very fat and full. Malcolm and Carol treated us to lunch. They paid for it for our anniversary. And we went into St Agnes Hotel. I'm going to go for a walk. Oh. To the beach. Oh, this is quite steep. I think my shoes aren't slippery. Hang on, I'll stop pulling.
Oh, it's cool. Sticky tapping. Number 3. I've got this rose called sticky tapping.
See all the gap? That's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah.
Done. 2 bedroom. Yeah.
In the morning.
It's so cute. Oh, look at the sunflowers.
You let out this week, have you?
You wish. Tide's in, is it? Oh yeah. Above the beach. Yeah. It's quite nice. You can't go on the beach, baby, the tide's in. Yeah, you have to come this way. So walk up round there, have a look at it. Where's he going? Daddy's down here, look. Uh-oh. Blimey, they're steep. Yeah, then.
Shut up, let's look on the cliffs out here. How long will that be there? It's relaxing for a rover, isn't it? We've got a good little fisherman's place. Yeah.